Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy that we keep on going, right, with my channel. So you've already seen these few shots where we've spent the night. This beautiful Hyatt Regency hotel. It's gonna be a review. I'm just gonna show everything we had there. Of course, I will share the prices with you, the best, the worst things, to my opinion, our general impression, emotions, the cleanliness of the rooms, the quality of the service, everything a regular traveler client needs to know before going there. And at the end of this video, I will tell you how we managed not to pay anything for this suite on the top floor. So I hope you enjoyed too. Maybe you're gonna stay there one day and you'll find this information helpful. I'll be very pleased.
Just look how beautiful is the interior design of this hotel. How high the ceilings are, how much light is in there. I love it. So we came to this wonderful hotel and Jorge right now is checking us in. I'm very excited. We will visit this restaurant a little bit later. Tell me what's going on.
Oh, the room is not ready yet. It's we're cleaning it, so we're gonna go to lunch just to hang out for a while.
Hola. Oh, it's on top floor, right?
Yep.
So we came to this hotel on Wednesday at around 2 p.m., but our room was not ready yet. So we were offered to spend some time in Regency Club Lounge that's located on the 40th floor with a beautiful view with free drinks and snacks. And it's just nice there. What is it?
Banana loaf, I hope.
I want this. Little food when we are waiting. How was it?
It was good.
You took only one piece?
Yep. You want another one?
You had my gum. I took only one.
I'll get another one. I'm sorry.
You brought more gummies. Best husband in the world.
Of course.
By the way, there is the lake in this park, Chapultepec. You can see how we had a boat trip with my husband in my previous video. Guys, what I found. I can make coffee, have drinks, or tea. Do they have black tea? Green tea, no green. They don't have black tea. I need black tea. Meanwhile, my husband is learning Russian.
That's fantastic.
So sweet. You know, I'm so happy to be here with you.
Me too.
See, to have this little vacation again. To go to live our routine.
Yeah.
Get new emotions. It's okay.
Has to be like more.
Very fresh orange juice.
So guys, are you ready to see our beautiful suite? We have two rooms, like one room, one bedroom, huge bathroom with bath, tub and shower. So the first thing that you see when you enter is this big soft sofa, mirror, mini bar, very beautiful marble table, this little zone, wonderful view of the city from 43rd floor. And here you have big screen. Jorgito. It's a coffee station. Washing dishes, and voila! This is our amazing bedroom with a king size bed. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. Especially this view. Look at it. Look at it. Frida. Juni. Masha. Так. What else? This is a little walk-in closet. This is our beautiful bathroom. One sink and a mirror. Two sink and a mirror. Cozy bathroom, bidet, shower. Already with all the products that we need. I really love them. They smell amazing. And this wonderful bathtub. It's pretty small, but it's very cute and clean. So far, I'm so happy. I mean, you saw this, right? It's so beautiful. And I can't help but staring at that view from the 43rd floor. Can you imagine that? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Check what we've got. Soap, razor blades, razor, shaving cream, mouthwash, toothpaste, toothbrush, these sticks to clean your ears, the cotton pads, and a cup for the shower. Also lots of water everywhere, blow dryer. Here we have bubble bath with propolis. In the shower we have the same shower gel, conditioner and shampoo. I love these products. Every time we come here we use them. It's a Yucatan Herbal Discover the Mayan Secrets. Depends on the amount of days you stay here. Whenever you're out of shampoo or conditioner, they bring you a new one for free. Can you tell me, guys, why in the bathroom we have this little chair? I mean, interesting. If you know, if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments. Also, we have two. Oh, is it one? I thought it's two rows. Ironing board for ironing. We have iron and we have the flashlight.
Just formulate this code and we can go.
Okay. Ta-da! A mini bar here. Let's check what it has. Cola, Cola Zero, beer, rum, tequila, whiskey. Oh wow! Gin and another tequila. Also water. Oh, another mineral water. Almond, cashew, mix, Kit Kat, M&M's, water, Pringles. This is banana chips, and this is kamote chips. I have no idea what that means.
Sweet potato or jam.
My man is working. Look at this window. Oh my god. My favorite culinary program.
I must say, my husband is obsessed with the gym, like with exercising in general, so we couldn't skip this training day and not to use this wonderful opportunity to go to this gym. It's not that big, but it's full of very good machinery, high tech and everything. Also in the gym, you can refill your bottle of water, also take a towel and leave it right there, so it's very convenient. But my obsession was the pool. It's not very big, but you still can enjoy it.
Ready to swim. Woo, and nobody else. We just exercised there in the gym, and now we came for our today's session of cardio.
As in any other hotel, the water in this one was full of chlorine, both in the pool and in the shower. I'm allergic to chlorine, so I had some difficulties with it. Besides, in the area with the lockers, there are a sauna, steam room. Also, you can always take a shower. There are already all the products. This machine is for drying your swimsuit. It's pretty easy to use. Just put your cloth inside and just hold the lid down firmly. It will automatically start, automatically finish. It's so convenient. On the territory of this hotel, there are 3 completely different restaurants. One is Japanese, the other is grill, kind of Mexican style. The third one is more of a fusion, but also it's open for breakfast. We chose this Japanese restaurant for dinner and we really loved it. I mean, just look at that. It seems not to be Mexico. Even waiters are wearing traditional Japanese cloth. It's so nice there. And the food was amazing.
Those 2 volcanoes, they are far away, but in this early morning you can see them. Good morning. That was a really good bed, very good sleep.
Another wonderful opportunity is that the clients allowed to the business lounge on the 40th floor, they also can have a breakfast there. As you can see, it offers you a variety of different food. Salami, cheese, butter, fresh fruits, yogurts, freshly made juice, bread, and it's all for free. So the secret, how did we make it? It's pretty simple. You just need to join World of Hyatt's program and start earning points for stays, dining, and more. My husband, he's been the client of this chain of hotels for 10 years now, and for his birthday, this hotel offered him 1 night stay absolutely for free as a present.